Stop scrolling, you found me. Las Vegas real estate moves fast. You need a realtor who moves faster. Put my experience as a team leader, real estate trainer, top producer, and mortgage broker to work for you. I've been a full-time broker salesperson since 2006, and I have hundreds of five-star reviews showing that I take pride in providing exceptional service to my clients, and I truly care about improving their lives. When you love what you do, your friends become clients, and your clients become friends. I encourage you to visit chadjroberts.com to see all of my recommendations in one place, or just Google Chad Roberts Realtor to get a sense of what I can do for you. If you're buying property, let me help you make the best of your real estate investment. I have access to brand new builder inventory, bank-owned foreclosures, government sales, and even homes for sale by owner. You'll avoid properties with costly hidden flaws, and I'm experienced at writing contracts and negotiating offers that protect and benefit you. If you're selling property, I know all the tips, tactics, and strategies to get you the highest price your timeline will allow. Whether you're trading up or shipping out, I'll make sure we get you a lease back if you need it, so you can close one property, use the proceeds to buy the next one, and only move one time. I'm also experienced with flips and 1031 exchanges on investment properties. Call, text, or email me to get started today. I look forward to working with you.